Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing one of the most comforting snacks I've ever made, a soft, fluffy bread bun filled with flavorful beef mince. Baked to golden perfection, this snack will win over everyone, from kids to grown-ups. Let me show you how simple it is. We will begin with the beef mince. In a bowl, add 250 grams of beef washed and chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of goan vinegar, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, little chili flakes. Mix it well. Add 1 small onion chopped, 1.5 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 Kashmiri chili. Mix well and keep aside for 10 minutes. In a mixer jar, add 1 green chili, 3 Kashmiri chilies, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 7 cloves, 8 black peppercorns, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 9 small cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger peeled and chopped, half teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of water as required. Cover the mixer jar and grind into a fine paste. Transfer the ground masala into the bowl and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. One tablespoon of oil. Mix it well. Place a pan on medium flame. Transfer the marinated beef into it. Cover and let it cook. Add fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Mix well. Cover and let it cook. Remember to stir in between to prevent it from getting stuck. Add 1 teaspoon of goan garam masala powder and mix well. Once the beef is cooked, remove the pan from the flame and place another pan on the same flame. Heat 1.5 tablespoon of oil in it. Add 1 small onion chopped. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 small tomato chopped. Saute on medium flame. I am adding little of the ground masala which I had kept aside. As there was some masala still remaining in the mixer jar, I added water into it and now I am pouring it into this pan. Once cooked, switch off the flame. Mince the meat once it's cooled. You can easily swap the beef filling with anything you like. Add the sauteed ingredients to the mince. Mix well. Add some fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Add little tomato sauce. Mix well. It is important the filling is not watery. We want it nice and neat inside the snack. In a jug or bowl, add 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water, less than half tablespoon of instant yeast, little sugar, mix it well, cover it and let the yeast activate. In a bowl, add 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of sugar, mix it well. Mix the yeast mixture and pour it into the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, mix, add 2 tablespoons of lukewarm milk, begin kneading the dough. I sprinkled flour on the work surface and transferred the dough onto it. Add lukewarm milk as required and knead the dough. I love kneading dough, it's such a soothing process. Once it's kneaded and left to rise, you'll be amazed at how airy and light it gets. The texture makes all the difference. It's important to knead patiently. Add little unsalted butter and knead. As you knead, you'll feel it getting smoother and softer. That's exactly what we want. I used total half cup of lukewarm milk for this recipe. I love how smooth and easy this dough is to work with. It really makes the whole process so much fun. The dough is soft and smooth. Grease a bowl with little oil, place the dough in it and apply little oil on the dough as well. Cover the bowl with a plate and let the dough rest for an hour or until it is double in size. To prepare the egg wash, in a bowl add 1 egg, a pinch of salt and beat well. In a bowl add 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, half tablespoon of oil, mix well. The dough has now risen well. Punch the dough gently and transfer it into a floured work surface. Bring the edges of the dough towards the center and tuck it in. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Take one portion of the dough and roll it into around 20 centimeters wide. Apply the butter and oil mixture generously. Fold and apply the mixture like this. Ensure that it is folded into a square shape. Flatten it slightly with your hand and then roll it. Add some mince filling on one end of the longer side. Roll it like this and apply little water. Cut into the desired size. Each one is unique and handmade. That's the charm of home cooked food. Follow the same steps for the second portion also. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon because I have many more comforting and delicious recipes coming your way. Also, check out my other uploads. You'll find lots of recipes made with love and care. Take your time and enjoy the process. Cooking is not just about the result, but also the experience. Then place them onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Cover with a cloth and let it rest for 10 minutes. Apply egg wash on the beef snacks. This egg wash is what gives that beautiful glow after baking. Sprinkle sesame seeds on the beef snacks. While placing them on the tray, leave space between them, as this helps them bake evenly. I baked these beef snacks in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Keep checking after 15 minutes if they are ready. Plus, timing and temperature may differ in various ovens. Just look at that golden color, and they smell amazing. Apply melted unsalted butter and cover them with a cloth. Once cool, place them in a Ziploc bag to prevent them from becoming dry. Look how perfectly the bread holds the delicious beef filling, soft, hearty, and full of flavor. These baked beef snacks are perfect as they are, but you can also serve them with a cup of tea. They are great for parties, picnics, or cozy evenings at home. You can see how soft and light the bread is. I love how simple ingredients come together to create something that feels so special. Thanks for spending time with me today. See you soon with another tasty recipe. Thanks for watching.